Finding your saved tweets on Twitter, now known as X, is straightforward on both desktop and mobile platforms. On desktop, you have several ways to access your bookmarks. The primary method is clicking the bookmark icon in the left sidebar menu. If you're using a compact view, you might need to click More to find the Bookmarks option. You can also access bookmarks directly by typing the URL. For mobile users on iOS or Android, tap your profile picture to open the menu, then select Bookmarks. Alternatively, you can find Bookmarks under the More tab in the bottom navigation of the mobile app. An important feature of bookmarks is that they are completely private. Only you can see your bookmarks, and tweet authors won't be notified when you save their content. Bookmarks let you save tweets privately without the public visibility of likes or retweets. This makes them perfect for saving content you want to reference later without notifying the author. To add a bookmark, tap the share icon on any tweet and select Add Tweet to Bookmarks. The process is identical on both mobile and desktop platforms. For faster bookmarking on desktop, use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. Access your bookmarks through the sidebar menu. They're organized chronologically with newest saves first, and there's no official limit on how many tweets you can bookmark. To remove bookmarks, click the bookmark icon from your Bookmarks page or use the Share menu on the original tweet to select Remove from Bookmarks. Bookmark usage has grown significantly, with a 40% increase year over year. Thread bookmarking has increased by 65%, and most business users now bookmark content regularly for professional curation. Future updates will include folder systems, tag-based organization, and advanced search capabilities. AI-powered smart categorization is also being developed to automatically organize your bookmarks by topic. Bookmarks have evolved into a powerful content curation tool, offering private, unlimited saving with increasingly sophisticated organization features for both personal and professional use.